Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to see how to draw one point perspective, not in the system. Let's see how to draw in the drawing book. Okay, so let me explain you what is one point perspective. One point perspective is a drawing method that shows how things get small or smaller as they get further away, converging towards a single vanishing point. புரியல? Okay, see this drawing. If you see this drawing, you can see this is called a vanishing point. You can also say that one as a viewpoint. In horizontal line, a point which is being placed in anywhere, from there this drawing is being drawn. Okay, so to draw these kind of drawings, we use lots of perspective methods. That is 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective and 3 point perspectives. So to see all these, first let's start from the basics. That is called 1 point perspective. To draw these kind of architects and buildings and stuffs like that, first let's practice using 1 point perspective shapes. Okay, let's draw shapes. Let's see how to draw 1 point perspective shapes like cubes and stuffs like that in today's class. So let's start. Now we are going to see how to draw 1 point perspective cube. First draw a horizontal line. Now let's draw a square. Now we are going to make this square as cube. So now in this horizontal line, I am going to create a point, that is viewpoint. It can be created anywhere in this line. Now I am going to create over here. Can you see here? I am going to create a viewpoint over here. From this viewpoint, I am going to connect guidelines to these points. Now let's start creating the guidelines. Using these guidelines, connect this point from here to this point, from here again to this point. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to create lines over here. So draw a parallel line like this over here, a parallel line like this over here, a parallel line like this over here. So now draw a parallel line like this. Again draw a line like this over here, a parallel line towards like this. Draw a parallel line like this. Now start joining the guidelines like this and like this. Now you can see a cube. We got a cube. That's it. This is how we draw a cube in 1 point perspective.
I hope the video was useful. Thank you.